Hello everyone, this is Parth signing in from Language Academy. Through this video, allow me to present to you a new framework for your PTE exam preparation. Many a times while teaching hundreds and thousands of students here in Australia and worldwide, we come across many students who want to get their PTE done as soon as possible. But where do they struggle is time. They do not have enough time due to their prior commitments, work, study and whatnot. We completely understand that. So with this video, we are presenting to you a practice for time series. Now this series will be focusing on 7 tasks where you do not need to spend a lot of time, but it can get you a decent score. But keep in mind that these only tasks won't get you the exact score that you're looking for, but it can enable you to spend your time more effectively. Now, what are these tasks? Listening, fill in the blanks. Listening, highlighting correct words. Summarize written text. Summarize spoken text. Retell lecture, repeat sentences, write from dictation. Now, your entire PTE exam is for 360, which is 90 in 4 sections. Now, these 7 tasks alone can give you 190 marks out of 360, which is more than 50%. So, you should be focusing on these tasks first, get them done, utilize your time properly, and then only move on to the other tasks where you need to spend more time and you need more feedback. So throughout this video, I please request you to follow each and every tips and tricks that we have laid out for you and a great foundation to prepare for your PTE exam. So in these videos, we won't be presenting to you the entire thing, the entire module. We'll be only focusing on the tasks where you can maximize your score. So if you have any questions, if you are struggling with your PTE exam, do leave us a message or give us a call. We are here to help you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ali and today I'm back with another quick video on the 80/20 series. Now today in this video we're specifically going to talk about the Retell Lecture. Retell Lecture is actually the 4th task of the first module, which is speaking, and is definitely not the most important task in the speaking module, but is definitely a very important one. How? Because this particular task, contributes marks to speaking and listening, and on a 90 scale, as in out of 90, this particular task is going to give you about 11 out of 90 marks that you get for your speaking and about 10 out of 90 marks that go to your listening. So this definitely, while not being the most important one, definitely is a still very important task that all of you do need to focus on, with the intention that it doesn't really take a lot of effort for you to practice this particular task and prepare for this task. But when you get the results, it definitely contributes a lot. So the 80/20 concept, okay? Now, in this particular task, what's going to happen is that you're basically going to listen to an audio recording, okay? And then what you've got to do is you've got to basically retell the exact same lecture or the audio recording in your own words. That's essentially the basic description of this particular task. Now, there's basically a lot more to this task than that. So let's just dive a bit deeper. So this particular task is going to be there in your PTE exam, and you're going to see 3 to 4 of these questions in your actual exam, okay? So you have to be prepared for that. 3 to 4 of these questions are going to be there in your actual PTE exam. Now, for each and every one of those exams, about 30 to 35 seconds is the minimum that the audio or the lecture is going to last, and it could last for up to 1.5 minutes or 90 seconds as well. The most important thing that you have to notice over here is that you have to take notes. When you're listening to this particular audio, you have to take notes. And it's very important for you to make sure that you're going to take notes for the meaningful keywords. It's very important. To take notes for meaningful keywords, it means that you have to specifically take notes for the words which essentially mean something. For example, words which are proper nouns, words which are repeated in the audio again and again, words which are topic words, any technological terms that you hear, or any timeline references that you get in your lecture, or other than that, any mention of any sort of numbers that you get in that lecture. You have to take note for that. All of those things, what I've just mentioned, they're good keywords, and you have to take notes for good and meaningful keywords, okay? Now, as soon as the lecture is over, there's going to be then a gap for 8 seconds. So for those 8 seconds, you can just finish up taking those notes, and then you can sort of just organize yourself and be ready for the beep. And when it sounds, you have to then start speaking. You have to start making your attempt. And there is going to be a beep which indicates that the response time has begun. Okay, so please make sure that you start speaking immediately. As soon as you hear the beep, you have to start speaking. That's very important. Because if you don't start speaking as soon as the beep is sounded, it means that you're then taking a pause, and if that pause basically stretches beyond 3 seconds, the microphone can, and it actually does, turn itself off. So you have to make sure that you start speaking as soon as the response time begins. As soon as you hear the beep, it's go time, you have to start responding. And then, as soon as you are done, you must click the next button. It's very important to make sure that as soon as you are done, you have clicked the next button and you're not sitting there idle, because that idle time is basically taken as a very big negative for your fluency scores. So you must make sure that you're clicking the next button right there and then. And for each Retell lecture, you're going to get 15 marks. That right there would be the distribution of 5 marks for the fluency, 5 for the pronunciation, and 5 marks for the content. Something to notice over here is that the content contributes towards your listening, and the fluency and pronunciation, it contributes towards your speaking. And for the fluency, pronunciation, and the content, we have very specific instructions. And that takes me to the next thing that I want to talk to you about, which is the strategy. That's what the basic information is, but how exactly would you actually do it? What exactly is the strategy? The easiest way for you to get to full marks in this particular task, which is Retell lecture, doesn't require quite a lot of effort. That's the main point of this video. And what exactly would be the strategy? For the strategy, what you can do is you can join a free on-campus trial class, okay? And you definitely can find out more about the strategy that way. And it's absolutely free to join your first trial class, so you don't have to do anything. You can just show up, and the admin staff will facilitate you to get to the class, okay? Now, make sure that you're practicing, make sure that you're taking meaningful keywords, meaningful notes, and make sure that you practice for this particular task, because then again, I would like to invite you to focus on the fact that this task contributes about 11 out of 90 marks towards your speaking, and about 10 out of 90 marks for your listening, and that definitely is very important. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you a lot, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you very much, and good luck.